happening now. Some Nigerians are calling Tinubu to resign. If not, Nigeria may go to another civil war, because the way things are going in Nigeria, Tinubu have no interest in Southeast. His only interest in Southeast is to keep them shut up. But if this thing goes on like this, Nigeria may end up in another civil war. My people, I want you to watch this video and see how people are calling Tinubu to resign to save the Nigeria. The people are dying of hunger in Nigeria as we are speaking now. The economy is going down every day, blessed day. So I want you to watch the video before we come back and continue.
Tinubu should resign. Tinubu should resign so that a competent person will enter there and deliver the dividend of democracy.
But everything human being need to survive on, we are lacking it in this country called Nigeria. It's quite unfortunate to find ourselves in this one chance administration.
One chance administration. It's not renew hope, sir. It's renew hope.
Nothing like renew hope. Tinubu 1 year in office is a total disappointment. It's outrageously and inconsequentially experience of the citizen. We never expected that this country would be worse to this.
One year in office of Tinubu is like the reign of Nebuchadnezzar. The reign whereby people suffer. Everywhere is in a mess, a shambles. Look at everywhere is shut down in the country. Labor on strike. 1 year in office. Everything is times 3, times 4, times.
You see this country where you see so? From morning till night, skip your need for ground, they pray. My brother, nothing. This country no go better again. So far, those people when they rule this country, see they there, you no go better. If you like, kneel down, pray the tomorrow. My brother, your need go pee. I will tell you, they let you know.
So you support where we divide the country.
Space is what I never see for this life.
So you know they enjoy.
Oh, this Tinubu will come call for me this morning. I don't spoil my mood. I'm telling you. Oh, I no go vex. The man a nonsense man. If I see him, I go tell him kolo. He be fish man. Don't know anything. He don't go school. Don't know leadership. Me where they and if I dey for that seat, everybody go dey happy for this country. Everybody go dey happy and they enjoy. What is the common man?
Tinubu is 1 year in office. That was last month, and this month is a democracy month, celebrating 1 year in office, democracy in Nigeria. How has it been for you so far? The 1 year tenure, 1 year in office, how has it been for you?
One year in office of Tinubu is like the reign of Nebuchadnezzar. The reign whereby people suffer. Everywhere is in a mess, a shambles. Look at everywhere is shut down in the country. Labor on strike. 1 year in office. Everything is times 3, times 4, times 5 in the country.
First time Labour will be going on strike. Last year, this year, early this year, there have been.
That one is political, but this particular one is not political because currently Labour is fighting for their rights because of the minimum wage. How can you be paying minimum wage of 30,000 while fuel is 700 and 800 and everything? A bag of rice skyrocketed. Imagine. Gary, 1 rubber of Gary is 5,000 naira, and you say everywhere is normal. Everywhere is not normal. Currently, the masses has been subdued. We are suffering in Nigeria.
So, are you saying Buhari is better to this one, or Tinubu is better than Buhari?
A lion must give birth to a lion. Snake must give birth to a snake. Buhari give birth to Tinubu. Both of them are the same.
Birds of the same.
Birds of the same feather flocks together.
What do you think is the solution, or what pressing area do you think the government needs immediate attention?
This current government cannot give any immediate attention to anything. The only thing that the masses will wish, if this government want to help the country, is for the government to step down. Tinubu should resign. Tinubu should resign so that a competent person will enter there and deliver the dividend of democracy.
All right.
To be honest with you, without fear or favor, Tinubu 1 year in office is a total disappointment. It's outrageously and inconsequentially experience of the citizen. We never expected that this country would be worse to this extent.
So are you saying Buhari is better or Tinubu is better than Buhari?
Comparably, if I'm to compare Tinubu and Buhari, I can tell you that Buhari is 100% far better than Tinubu. The worst thing that have ever happened to this country is the emergence of Tinubu as the president of this country.
So you mean Nigeria has retrogressed since the man came into...
No, Nigeria is not only retrogressing, Nigerians are suffering in hunger, in poverty, lack of. In fact, everything human being need to survive on, we are lacking it in this country called Nigeria. It's quite unfortunate to find ourselves in this one chance administration.
One chance administration. It's not renew hope, sir. It's renew hope.
Nothing like renew hope from my observation. My children are hungry, school fees is biting, house rent, no steady power supply. We don't talk about hospital because that thing is a kind of a forgotten sector in this country.
Yeah. So this morning, students are returning back from the school because of labor strike. What will you say of labor?
Labor has disappointed the totality of the citizens of this country. They have shown that their interest is only their stomach. They don't care about the suffering of the masses. Where was labor when they increased fuel from 200 to 750 to 800? Where was labor when food, a constant pint of garina is 5,000 naira? Where was labor? We don't have any labor in this country. What we have is galotons, people that are conscious about their stomach, inconsequential people that don't care about the citizen. We don't give a damn about what they are doing.
1 year office, we have dollar for 1,480. 1 year office. Is that how we are going to celebrate 4 years in office? So 4 years in office, what are we expecting from dollar? Somebody cannot even build a house anymore. Civil servants should take the money to 400,000 because that is the only way they can survive. As we are talking now, custard of garri is 4,000. Maybe anybody does not have family, that the person does not know what this country is saying, and that they are organizing labor time. I'm not even sure that we have something like labor in this country, because in this our country, labors are politicians. Politicians will impeach impeach somebody that's in office for 34 years and impeach him and put anybody is like in that the same labor chairman. I don't really understand. For truth, we don't have anything like labor. Labor chairman is a politician. Just when you go to their houses, you know what I'm talking about. They are not living like civil servants. They did not care about the people. They are also living like the politicians, living large, chopping stomach. When you go to the house, you go see a supermarket there inside the house now. Why we will go supermarket today? We buy milk 2005. Let's move.
Tinubu is the worst president, even though the one who will come in front. Tinubu is the worst person in this life, in this government.
In this government?
Yes.
You know they enjoy this administration, bro.
Hungry one key person say I know they enjoy. You know how much they say paint of Galena? You know how much they say since they there they laugh. You know they even contribute. Now how will I do my people? Make my people feel well again. Tinubu not even want to know. In the thing to do something we no get meaning. It's not
like what?
So Tinubu look this country finish say one change the national anthem they sing. You know they even think how this problem will resolve for Nigeria. Okay, the success is one way.
I want you to share this video and make sure say you follow this channel for more updates as we are bringing you update of things where they happen.